Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will cover my top 5 mistakes that you think are good, but it's actually bad for your car. Replacing the filter box with these filters that you think it will increase the horsepower, but it is the opposite of that. With removing the filter box, now all the hot air around the engine entering the intake manifold. Cold air will have more oxygen due to the density of the molecules being closer to each other, but the warm air has less density of the molecules. With the stock filter box, the air enters before the engine and it's isolated from the engine heat until it enters the intake manifold. Closing the hood, never push with the palm of your hands, it will create the dents. Instead of that, let it fall just like that. Applying wax on an unclad and unpolished car will give you a bad result, and the wax won't stick to the clear coat due to the contamination. Just like this, it's been waxed and the surface still feels rough. No need to fill the oil filter with the oil. Pre-filling the filter will make the process easier if you have a heavy-duty truck, but if you are just changing the oil on a smaller car, it's not necessary. Some cars' oil filter is like that and some upside down, so it's not necessary to fill it up. But if you have a diesel engine, the filters are faced up so you can fill it up before installing. So just lubing the seal and hand tightening is enough for smaller cars. Replacing the fog light bulb with the higher watts will increase the temperature and burn the light bucket. And also, don't touch the light bulb with your fingers. Skin oil will cause burning the bulb. So that was my top 5 mistakes that you think it's good, but it's actually bad for your car. If the video was helpful, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.